Good. Is that good? Huh?
She see the red light.
Did you pick some turkey? Amber's picking Grandpa some Thanksgiving turkey.
3 days later.
3 days later.
1992.
That's a turkey.
It's just the 29th
Did you pick some? Right there's some.
of November.
Yeah.
There's some.
One
Right
more day to hunt.
there. Turkey. Mmm.
Baby Amber.
Anna.
How many days old?
Anna.
She's 4 days old. She was born on the 25th.
25th. Lucky that Dad was there. Yeah, she's so little.
See how little?
Yeah.
Soft.
Oh yeah, she ever saw. And so little.
Yeah.